So, I took some foam and some happy birthday paper, a little bit of polyuric, clear gloss, sprayed down the foam real good, sprayed down the paper on one side really good, then flipped it over and stuck the two together. Straightened them out with a little stick. As you can see, it looks pretty darn covered. Hopefully the polyuric will dry and adhere the paper to the perfect little wing. Yep. And hopefully we'll have a nice clean wing. It looks pretty good too in the shape. At least that'll be half of it. The other half comes together. Alright, next. There you go. Getting closer.